I am so excited, guys, because we get to decorate the foyer today for summer. Summer has crept up on me so fast. So if you want to see how I'm going to decorate this foyer, stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, hey, my name is Bree and welcome. Bree Stylers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, I'm Bree, and welcome to Modern Living with Bree, where I share DIYs, decorating, and organization to keep my modern home comfortable and beautiful, while providing ideas and inspiration for your home. Coming up for today, so we're around the corner of the bench on the right-hand side, and I'm going to hang some botanicals. I already have one hung up there. It's green, black, and white frame. And these botanicals I purchased from Amazon as, what do you call them? 3x4 cards that you could decorate your frames with. And I just love these. And they had different green botanicals on there since my theme is green, black, and white. And we're going to go ahead and hang the rest of these on here. Make sure they're straight. So my colors for the summer is always green, black, and white. And we're going to get started with some throw pillows. Now this throw pillow is a 20 by 20. The pillow case is from, let's see, Amazon. And I shared this with you guys on my Bree's Fabby Finds. If you have not seen it, I will go ahead and link it in iCard. So we're going to go ahead and place two of these on the bench. We'll see if I want to do that or not. And then I have this long oblong pillow in a boucle, and we're going to place that in front. Now I'm trying to see which way I want to do this. Now it was in my head when I thought of this idea. I'm not sure if it's turning out the way I thought it would be. I don't know. Let's see. How about the other way? I'll fuss with it a little bit and make up my mind how I want to do this. I've always wanted to do something different in this corner near the door and the window, and I decided that I would do that today since it is a season transition. So I'm going to take down that candle holder, and I am going to put in this corner instead a planter, which is this planter right here. It's brand new, haven't taken it out of the box. And this right here is a tree. So we are going to try this in this corner to see how it looks. And that's what we're going to do next. So as you can see, the sun is kind of creeping up on me here. And I believe I'm going to have to try to do this quickly, because as soon as that sun comes in, it's going to make it dark over here. So we're going to take this candle holder down. And we're going to open up our box. Now, I did open up the box to make sure that the planter is not broken or anything. haven't taken it out of the plastic. I'm really excited about this because I always wanted to put a tree in one of my rooms, well, a couple of my rooms actually, and I thought that I would start with the foyer. Now this looks very heavy, but it's not. It's pretty light actually. CB2 normally put this in their boxes to protect your fragiles. So we're going to stuff that there in the pot there once we set the planter in. Now I haven't looked at this at all. I should have taken it out so the leaves the branches can fall. And since I didn't do that, we're going to have to straighten up our branches here. Get it out. He really gets me by putting a box inside of a box inside of a box. Now this can be placed outside also. It has a drainage hole at the bottom. Okay, so I cut the flaps off of this box and I have the flaps here, so you can see I cut those off. And then I measured the pot over here by using a marker how wide this is. And I cut the circles with this cardboard scissors. This is great. I mean, this cut cardboard better than your regular scissors. I love these. And then I cut two of the holes so they can fit around the tree. So I've already stuffed the tree pretty much how I want it so it can stand up with these packing, what do you call these things? Packing balloons, whatever they are. And now we're going to place these on top. Hopefully they'll fit up under the lip of the pot here, the planter. And it does. It doesn't fit as close as I want it, but that's okay. We can put some tape or something there to keep from, but that's good. Okay. And we're going to pack our moss on top of here.
Baby, don't know how to say it, but something in it drives me crazy. I know it shows, so tell me, when you lay alone in your bed, do you still dream of me? I think it shows. When I'm thinking alone, every second without you, I'm losing it all. Let's make pancakes at midnight, drink wine.
Hello, loves. It's the next day. So we're going to go ahead and vacuum our new rug. So here is the rug, vacuumed and cleaned, and it finally relaxed around the edges. So that day that I didn't video, It gave it a chance to relax because that was all rolled up. And it wouldn't go down until the next day. So we are going to continue. I'm going to bring in the table and decorate that.
The city lights, I don't want it all to be over. If you ask me, if you ask me, meet me halfway in my mind. Grow together for real this time, baby. We can start it over.
Sorry everyone, I lost my clip where I arranged my floor arrangements in the vase, so that clip, I have no idea what happened to it. I'm thinking I'm gonna use this because it has the stripes on the rug, and I thought that would be nice vase that has striations on it, and I think that looks pretty good. Okay, we're on the last part of the foyer. I'm going to decorate this corner here, so we're going to start with the pedestal on the wall. Now it's pretty dusty, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off first. Okay, so until that dries, we're going to go ahead and decorate the wall above the pedestal. Most of you have seen me decorate with this mirror before. I love this mirror. I painted it black. It was silver. It was a set of 5, and I decided to paint 2 of them black. So we're going to place this above that pedestal. Purchased it and it reminded me of something, and that's these candle holders. There's a set of 3, and I introduced them on Bree's Fabby Finds, and I said, this reminded me of something. I had something like this. Basically what I was remembering was the mirror on there. Just some interest and a conversation piece to have up here. Now I think, like I said, it came in a set of 3. I think 3 would be too many. So we're going to go ahead and just place the 2 smallest one. And I think that really complements that mirror. I really do like that. Now, as you can see that I changed the artwork on the wall. So we are going to finish placing the artwork on here. I have 2 pieces of artwork that I'm going to place here.
Baby, don't know how to say it, but something in it drives me crazy. I know it shows, so tell me, when you lay alone in your bed, do you still dream of me? I think it shows.
made it to the end of the video, so you must like what you see. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel? It doesn't cost a thing, and I love to have you part of the Bree Style family. Also, click the notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload. I see you on the next one. Smooches!